Guys, please subscribe and help the channel get to 150k subscribers.
Hey Tabafetu, this video is brought to you by EasyPets. Click the link in the description to sign up and use code FANS50 to receive a 50 rand sign up bonus. And also, T's and C's apply. Under 18s are not permitted to gamble. Tango.
Welcome to my fans on the TV. It's the CAF Champions League. Mamelodi Sundowns 1, Al Ahly 1. Don't forget to subscribe. Also become a member. I'm Troy Pry, the best chairman in the world. Chwaka Parks.
Tibos, amafans wethu. Amaphakanea. Okokuqala nje mfowethu asiyibongele iSundowns. Isingenile mfowethu. Sho ukuthi ke ake sithi uyohlangana khona esikhaleni kaNtombela. Asho kanjalo ke amaZulu manga impela sisixakile isimo iyohlangana esikhaleni kaNtombela. Mfowethu siyadlula ekubongeleni iSundowns. Ngoba kusamnandi ekhaya sifuna ukulungisa iphutha nje lincane njengasabalithandi bebhola kunale crew okuthiwa behind the poles crazy crew emahlanyeni sho ukuthi le crew ihleli icula njalo and then last kuyona ipyramid ukhona la ke kwapresseka khona uSipho Shane of which my presser Tina was busy singing ne sho ukuthi on the far left of us kwangathi khona i-tension iyavela on the side, on the line of behind the poles, but on the far left ukuthi uthema ibona ukhosha uKP ukuthi hayi kwangazi ukuthi umdlali uye wafocusa kubalandeli instead of afocus egroundini. I think they are trying to coach them ukuthi angabo focusa kakhulu kubalandeli abo focusa egameni ngoba don't izomkhipha out uthema senza ke sibonela wathi ubonile ukuthi behind the poles lela side la semahlanyeni nabojwaga ukhona irawrawo yenzekile manje ke behind the poles supporters was coming very close was a big issue ukuthi how come ukosha atheketina ubeni sisinga sicula non stop yaba big issue and then ka intervene ngathi no guys we will come down and then we'll try to settle isimo because I don't think ukhosha ubesho kuthini ubebheke isimo the wesenzeke ngakhona ingakho namanje sivumelana no uzokucacisa lokho futhi akuxolisele emabhakana ngoba phela behind the pose asikaze sibone negola sikazazi ngisho nayo le accident siyibone masesihlala phansi sesiyobona ke manje sibuke iTV sibesingabonanga bakhona accident because thina ngize ngathi kubona hayi man mhlawumbe ucoach umbona so sikhathi ushene esisukumisa ethi asicula kanti siyacula ngifuna ukuthi coach ngibatshenile amabhakana emahlanyeni ukuthi nosizoba nawe why futhi on behalf of wena nathi sisonke usho ukuthi no was not ukuthi bo stick him.
Yeah, no time. Mina ngihlezi ngithi time yabo. That's why I always mang time. Bona mara jwaga for me the easiest name was a family member. You see, so it's just like if somebody asked me or pirate, my pirate ba hard-headed, what's on a Zui. Because it's a family matter, but he's right. I think it was just a matter of misunderstanding because of by mentioning the name Ntate Jwaga, everybody thought I'm exactly there, but as he said, but once again as Zulu sapala he apologies ka spedi ba re ke gopela tshwarelo kudu ne ke sa re group A and then the main message was to Chain instead of Chain responding to us fans focus on the jobs team but once again thanks to the members of Bonus team it really shows as much as you'll make mistakes as you go but having protectors around you and your elders you know you're gifted and blessed.
Phela le problem is yabona now coach o Rivero. Uze wayikhuluma wathi ama supporters bangaphazamisa ama player kumele siba support. So lonto leyo isiphathe kabi. and ama fans awase behind the pole, the reason ukuthi baphathe kabi kakhulu is because ize yabona na coach yabo coach makakhuluma ngayo bathi amani ubani lo muntu lona okhuluma ngathi ukuthi thina sidisturba ugol ochain yabo yilapho esuke khona yikho kwabanjena baphakamisa amaphaphu nathi sawayehlisa athi hayi lo muntu lona sihlala sinaye sizokhuluma naye kushuthi misunderstanding so sibonga kakhulu ukuthi wonke umuntu understand sibonga kakhulu ukuthi nathi sithole le opportunity ukuthi sichaze kahle ukuthi kwenzakaleni
hayi nami ngiyamxolisela chairman
I remember Tibos we as a Beyond the Poles supporters and each and everyone who says stadium the mandate ukuba se stadium usupporta a team but ke thina strictly Beyond the Poles we protect our goalkeeper we give opposition a tough time because njengasicula nje kuyenzeka sigcina sicula ngeopposition player kwaze banalo li frustrate ligcina liluza in ifocus le azama ukhosha ukuyikhosha uShane ukuthi angafocus kubalandeli because uzoluza ifocus exactly ngalendlela sho ngayo lento enziwa yithina Behind the Poles uma si fundraiser i-opposition yabona we protect our goalkeeper but in on position or opposition sibankingi uyabona before uyabona nje ufuna ukuhletha nje kancane amanye amahlanya asijoina manje fika if you want ukwazi ukuthi Behind the Poles mangabe sithi frustrate i-opposition go ask Fernandes goalkeeper Fernandes Rowan Fernandes wamuva from kwi-box yakhe wayoma e-center line e-center should be abize uReford Norman engaso sikhathi ke ngangisaqhumisa ama cricket no man I hear something angathi sekane these people is shooting me of which strategy said nathi ama players wethu akore is amaphakani ekhaya bafowethu swarelo eyamahlanya niyaze ebhola ucoach ube nathi yonke into bafowethu namhlanje isorted manibona ucoacha e-stadium nimwelcome bafowethu masila wonke umuntu mayese grounding unendlela ukumele akabone ngayo futhi akhoshe ngayo akhuze ngayo ubeza mkhuza ukhosha ugoalkeeper wethu ukuthi nanga focus kakhulu kuthina yena aka focus e-grounding because ziningi izinto ezenzakala uma uzofocusa emidlalini kumlandeli umlandeli yena awazi ukuthi uyistrategy kanjani that's why ubona ama players protect because kunabalandeli ongeke uqiniseke ukuthi abalandeli be team you can wear your attire of Orlando Pirates kanti you are not Orlando Pirates support into ezinjalo siyasazi thank you coach for understanding us siyabonga namahlanya siyabonga nani mafethu wethu siyabonga mfowethu ake focus sibone Pirates ya ku final isiyothatha isitars sesibini ngoba kusokushuthi manje between thina ne Sundowns khona kumele akathatha isitars sesibini isitars esifikile sesibini eSouth Africa danko
nizovuma basithatha phambi kwini
ngeke basithathe but ithina baqali bendlela
ya bakene